Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto FPS in video recording mode. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can disable the automatic frame rate adjustment during low light. So this will basically maintain a consistent video quality and frame rate, which is important for cinematic or professional video shoots. So if you're into making a short film or maybe a YouTube video, you want to keep the FPS same in all the videos and shoots you take. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up the four dots, then tap on settings. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find auto FPS. Tap on this. And here you want to go ahead and switch off the auto FPS. So if auto FPS is turned on, you record brighter videos in low light condition by automatically optimizing the frame rate in video mode. However, you don't want to do that, as some scenes will be maybe using a less frame rate while other scenes will be using more frame rate. So when you combine all of these videos in one video, this will basically make your video look not professional, as you have different frame rates going around in all the scenes. So there you go guys, that is how to turn off auto FPS in video recording mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.